Hi there, welcome to this Adika Cloud English listening practice video. As you're listening, try to understand the ideas. Don't worry about small details. You'll understand better if you listen a few times. After you listen, we'll talk about some of the ideas in the video and I'll give you one new word that you can use in your English conversations. Now let's listen to Soha and Nora. They're friends and they're in a kitchen together. I love your kitchen. It smells so good. Where are you making that delicious soup? Over there in the pot on the stove. It's chicken noodle soup. Do you like it? Of course. I love soup, especially when it's cold outside. And you know, it's easy to make. Just put everything in the pot and boil. No, don't put the noodles in first. Put the noodles in at the end. Otherwise they get soft and mushy. I always burn my noodles. It's really embarrassing if you want to serve them to someone. What do you cook when you have a lot of vegetables? I have so many vegetables and I don't know what to do with them. Sometimes I just put everything in a big pot. What, everything? Yeah, all the vegetables. Then I pour hot water over them, add salt and pepper and I blend it. Is that good? What do you think? Soha, that doesn't sound very good. Maybe it's better if you have a special recipe. This week I'm going to try a new recipe. There's a great website. It has lots of recipes and photos. Really. Tell me more. What kind of food do they have on this website? They have everything. Healthy food, fast food, sweet food. I love sweet food. I have a question. How do you say it in English? I have a sweet tooth. I always want to eat something sweet. Nora, you have a sweet tooth. I have a friend who loves to bake. She makes the best cookies. She bakes every weekend. Every weekend. Yes. If you want, I can ask her for her recipe. Oh yes, please, ask her. I want to learn how to bake cookies. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Now let's talk about some of the ideas in the video. The first idea is serving soup. People often serve soup with noodles or pasta. When you put the noodles or pasta in the soup, you don't want to serve them mushy and soft. You want them firm, so you put the noodles in the soup near the end when the soup is almost ready. Otherwise, you might have to cook them separately. The second idea is cooking with a lot of vegetables. Nora doesn't have much experience cooking. She has a lot of vegetables and she wants to use them, but she doesn't know what to do. One way that she can use all the vegetables is to cut them and put them in a soup. The third idea is having a sweet tooth. Soha likes sweet food. She says she has a sweet tooth. Another way to say this is I have a sweet tooth. Now I'd like to give you one new word that you can use in your English conversations. The word is to bake. To bake means to cook food in an oven. For example, my mother baked a cake for my birthday. The verb to bake is to cook something with dry heat in an oven. We usually use it for bread, cakes and cookies. Question number 1. What does Nora like to eat? Question number 2. What does Soha want to learn how to do? If you enjoyed this video, remember to like it. Write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.